Hello, I'm Deborah Reed, Curator of Agriculture and the Environment at the Henry Ford. Greenfield Village is a dynamic living history museum that helps you explore essential lessons from farm to fork. It all starts in recreated historic environments like this kitchen garden. Greenfield Village includes 5 kitchen gardens, plus 4 farm fields and pastures, 3 grape arbors, 2 orchards, and 1 magnificent living history farm. While these recreated agricultural landscapes do not show farming to scale, they nonetheless convey the seasonal routines of field preparation, planting, cultivation, harvesting, seed propagation, and soil regeneration. Farm families had to repeat these motions to survive every year. They also raised grain, hay, livestock, orchard crops, fresh vegetables, and root crops to satisfy market demand. Today, nearly 600,000 people explore these immersive environments annually. That makes them some of the most heavily traveled recreated agricultural landscapes in North America. With that number of guests comes a responsibility to explore the past, present, and future of healthy food. Support from the Carver Carson Society ensures a free and neutral space to do this. The Henry Ford's unparalleled collections add countless talking points on critical issues ranging from food security to regenerative agriculture, biotechnology, and environmental sustainability. There is no end to the opportunity, and the need is great. Let the conversation begin.